हेलो एवरीवन, आज के वीडियो में डाइपोल मोमेंट को स्टडी करते हैं। डाइपोल मोमेंट मेजर द नेट पोलैरिटी ऑफ एनी मॉलिक्यूल एंड डिनोटेड बाय ग्रीक लेटर म्यू एंड इट्स फार्मूला इज म्यू इज इक्वल टू क्यू मल्टीप्लाई डी। क्यू इज द चार्ज ऑन एटम एंड डी इज द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन एटम्स। इट इज अ वेक्टर क्वांटिटी। द डायरेक्शन ऑफ एरो इज ऑलवेज फ्रॉम पॉजिटिव टू नेगेटिव एंड ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल मीन लेस इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एटम टू मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एटम। Dipole moment tell us about polar and non-polar molecule. If same forces exert on the ball doesn't go anywhere and the net force on the ball is zero, means net dipole moment is zero and the molecule is non-polar. Like in chlorine gas molecule, two chlorine atom exert the same force on the shear pair of electron in the opposite direction, so the net force and dipole moment is zero and the molecule is non-polar. So all homoatomic molecules are non-polar molecules. In carbon dioxide molecule, two oxygen atom exert the same forces on the shear pair of electron, so net force is zero, net dipole moment is zero and the molecule is non-polar. Look at the examples. If different forces exert on the ball, the net force on the ball is not zero, net dipole moment is not zero and the molecule is polar. Like in hydrogen fluoride, different atom exert different forces on the shear pair of electron. Fluorine is more electronegative, so it attracts the shear pair of electron toward itself by more force, so the net force is not zero, net dipole moment is not zero and the molecule is polar. By this example we can say all heteroatomic molecules are polar molecules. In SO2 molecule, two oxygen atom and one lone pair is present. Two oxygen atom exert the same force but one lone pair exert the maximum force, so the net force is not zero, net dipole moment is not zero and the molecule is polar. In water, two lone pair and in ammonia one lone pair is present, so both are polar molecule. If you like this video, follow this account for more videos.